ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद भाष्य पेज नंबर 817. So the portions that we completed from this, which is in, what is the name of the Brahmana? Kahola Brahmana. In Kahola Brahmana, first part was Ashanaya Pipasa Shokam Moham Jara Mrutyum Tirtva or Atyeti. Atyeti. So that part is completed. Second part was
उत्प्रेषणायाश्च वित्तेषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च युद्धाय अथ भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्
एतम वै तमात्मानं विदित्वा त्रैषणायाश्च वित्तेषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च. Correct? That portion we have completed. Now the next portion is तस्मात् पांडित्यम निर्विद्य बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत् बाल्यम च पांडित्यम च निर्विद्य अथ मुनिः अमौनम च मौनम. That portion is starting now in टीका. तस्माद् इत्यादि वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याचष्टे. So tasmat, now this sannyas part is all discussed. Tasmat pandityam nirvidya. ब्राह्मणः पांडित्यम निर्विद्य बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्. यस्मात् पूर्वे ब्राह्मणा एतम आत्मानम असाधन फल स्वभावं विदित्वा सर्वस्मात् साधन फल स्वरूपाद् एषणा लक्षणाद् व्युत्थाय भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति स्म. यस्मात् पूर्वे ब्राह्मणाः, earlier the brahmanas, etam atmanam, what is the atma? Asadhana phala swabhavam. Atma which does not have any sadhana or phala. Asadhana phala swabhavam atmanam viditva. Sarvasmat sadhana phala swarupat. Eshana lakshana. All sadhana swarupa or phala swarupa is eshana only. This is the lakshana of eshana. Either you are seeking sadhana or phalam. Lakshanad vyuthaya भिक्षाचर्यम चरन्ति स्म. चरन्ति स्म means कुर्वन्ति. भिक्षाचर्यम कुर्वन्ति. So what is vyuthanam? Vyuthanam means I rise above something. Stha dhatu is there. What is the sutra? Vi utpurvak stha dhatu. Sakara will go away. And
उदहस्था स्तंभो पूर्वस्य.
Udahastha stambho purvasya. So you have vyuthaya. Vyuthanam is there. Vyuthanam from the eshana. I have to rise above the desires. That is sannyasa. Actually, that is panditya. Studying is not panditya. Rising above and then studying will give you panditya. Rising above desires and studying will give you panditya. Only studying will not give you panditya. That is the connection here. Uktameva vyuthanam spashtayati. Now he clarifies this vyuthanam. Drishta drishtartham karma tat sadhanam cha hitva. From the drishta artha and adrishta artha. Karma tat sadhanam cha hitva. Giving up karma and its sadhana. Atha vikshacharyam charanti. Hitva means how? Vivek vairagyabhyam eshanabhyo vyuthaya. With the help of Viveka and Vairagya, he rises above Eshanas. Eshanabhyo Vyuthaya. Vyuthanam is from Eshana. Shrutyacharya kartavyam jnanam. Nishesham kritva. Jnanam which is kartavyam. How that jnanam should be done? Shruti, through Shruti and Acharya. Means Shrutyacharya with the help of Shruti and Acharya. But what is the prerequisite? Eshanabhyo Vyuthaya. First you have to rise above Eshana. Then you have to do Shrutyacharya kartavyam jnanam. Nishesham kritva balyena tishthase iti vyavahitena sambandha. This is the vyavahitena sambandha. Vyavahitena means these words are apart, but you have to connect them. There is vyavadhanam in between. Tasmat adyatve api brahmano brahmavid pandityam pandita bhavam etad atma vijnanam pandityam nirvidya. Adyatve api. Adyatve api means now also. Vartamana kale api. Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha brahmavid. Brahmavid means apata brahmadarshi. The one who has apata brahma jnanam. Samshaya viparya can be there. Such brahmavid is called brahmana. Pandityam nirvidya. Pandita bhavam eva pandityam. Pandita bhavam etad atma vijnanam pandityam. So, atma vijnanam pandityam nirvidya. Nishesham viditva. Knowing it, nishesham, without any thing left. Means he has studied properly from the Acharya and Agama. Viditva. Atma vijnanam niravashesham kritva ityartha. Atma vijnanam, he has studied niravashesham. Seven number tippani. In that, see, there is a Taduptam Vartike. Vartik number 169. That Vartika. Padartha digati purvam ततस्तदभिसंगतिः विरुद्धार्थनुतिः पश्चात् ततो वाक्यार्थबोधनम्. So now 4 types of jnanam. Chaturvidham jnanam pandityam. 4 types of jnanam is called pandityam. What are they? First is padartha adhigati. Padartha jnanam. Purvam. Tat padartha tvam padartha jnanam. Tatah tad abhisangati. Then abhisangati means aikyam. Pada jnanam, padartha jnanam. This jnanam will be vachyartha jnanam. Then there aikya. Then what happens? When you try to do aikya in vachyartha, then what happens? Viruddha. There is a virodha. So therefore, viruddhartha snutihi. Viruddhartha tyaga you will have to do. Then you will come to lakshana. Paschat tato vakyartha bodhanam. Then vakyartha jnanam will take place. So this chaturvidham jnanam is called pandityam. This is given here in brief. There is an elaborate shloka which we have quoted in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha Tika. When Tattvamasi comes, you will see it is there. In Vedanta Sara also it is given. Vedanta Paribhasha, all these texts, they will discuss this. So Pandityam Nirvidya Nishesham Viditva Atma Vijnanam Niravashesham Kritva Ityartha. Thereafter, Balyena Tishtaset, that is the connection. Acharyata Agamatascha Eshanabhyo Vyuthaya. Acharyatah Agamatah Atma Vijnanam Niravashesham Kritva. Before that, Eshanabhyo Vyuthaya. Actually, if you do this way, Nishesham Viditva is a Tva Pratyaya. Atma Vijnanam Niravashesham Kritva. And Vyuthaya is Liya Pratyaya. So all of them will have Samana Karta, Samana Kartakatvam. Now you see Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, Eshana Vyuthanaavasanam eva hi tad pandityam. Tika says Pandityam Nirvidya iti anena eva Vyuthanam vihitam iti aha. Pandityam Nirvidya iti anena eva Vyuthanam. By the word Pandityam Nirvidya means having accomplished Pandityam, Nishesham Viditva. In that, Eshana Vyuthanavasanam is Pandityam. Eshana, all going away, is Pandityam. So Eshanas are there and I have learned things, so you have not learned according to Acharya. So now we know. Otherwise also, in like how Bhagavad Gita it is said, when you have lot of Rajoguna, Tamoguna, that Jnanam will not shine in the Indriya, Antakarana. That Jnanam is always obstructed by Rajoguna, Tamoguna. Because Jnanam is the dharma of Sattva Guna. Sattvad Sanjayate Jnanam. Then सत तो आज संजायते रजसुभ प्रमाद मोहौ so all the other will give some loba means some desire, some greed, and pramad and moha means viparita jnanam, tamoguna karanam. टीका तद ही पांडित्यम एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थानस्य अवसाने संभवति तदत्र व्युत्थान विधि इत्यर्थः तद ही पांडित्यम दैट अलोन इज पांडित्यम एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थानस्य अवसाने संभवति दैट पांडित्यम इज पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन आई डू व्युत्थानम फ्रॉम एषणा अवसाने अवसाने 9 नंबर टिप्पणी समाप्तौ पूर्तौ पराकाष्ठा प्राप्तौ somebody says I have given up some ashana. I say no, all ashanas when they go then you are panditya, you have panditya. You never said this before, otherwise I would have not studied anything. I started studying thinking that I will become pandita. Now you are saying but pandita degree you won't get until you give up desires. Yes, that's why in university it is different. In university you study, you will get certificate, you will have some score, you get job, they will pay you also. Maharaj is giving example of somebody, some Mahatma, Acharya degree and all, you get in university. So he studied, gave some exam, and he passed because he studied well. Then he decided to take up a job in university. So they were paying him. So after they started paying him, within few years he started thinking of getting a house. And he purchased a house. After some time he got married. Mahatma. So this can happen. This is what the Ashanas come like this only. Vityashana is there. First Lokeshana would be there. Then Vityashana. Now Putreshana. So तद ही पांडित्यम एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थानस्य अवसाने संभवति तदत्र व्युत्थान विधि इत्यर्थः. So therefore here there is vyutthan vidhi. That means tasmat. Tasmad atra vyutthan. Therefore you should take sannyas also. Tadeva sputayati. Eshana tiraskar udbhavatvat. Eshana viruddhatvat. Eshana tiraskarodbhavatvat. Eshana viruddhatvat. Eshana tiraskar. Panditya. Panditya arises when you give up Eshanas. And when Eshanas arise, then it is Virodhi of Panditya. Eshana Viruddhatvat means Eshanayaha Viruddhatvat. Eshana will become Virodhi of Panditya. तासाम तिरस्कारेण पांडित्यम उद्भवति तस्य एषणाभ्यो विरुद्धत्वात् तथा च पांडित्यम निर्विद्य इति अत्र ताभ्यो व्युत्थान विधानम उचितम इत्यर्थः. तासाम तिरस्कारेण पांडित्यम उद्भवति. So when you do तासाम एषणानाम all given there. 13 नंबर टिप्पणी तिरस्कारेण पांडित्यम उद्भवति तस्य एषणाभ्यो विरुद्धत्वात्. सो तस्य पांडित्यस्य पांडित्य इज विरुद्ध ऑफ एषणा विरुद्धत्वात्. तथा च पांडित्यम निर्विद्य. So some people they study for sustaining their desire eshanas. Some lokeshana is there. In this context, they also, this shloka is there. देहवासनया जंतो लोकवासनया पिच शास्त्रवासना. These three vasanas are there. Dehavasana, Lokavasana and Shastravasana. So immediately people think, if someone says, I want to study, and they say, this is Shastravasana. Adhyanam of Vedanta Grantha is not Shastravasana. Vedanta, if you don't study Vedanta, then what will you do? You go around here and there doing other things. What else? Vedanta Adhyanam is not Shastravasana. Shastravasana means that Shastra which is not Advaita Paraka and which is not going to help you in understanding Advaita Shastra. That if you go on studying, that would be considered as Shastravasana. And people immediately think of Shastravasana first. So much Dehavasana is there, so much Lokavasana is there, that they don't see as a problem. But if you study, Shastravasana is there. Shastravasana, first you remove other vasanas. Dehavasana, Lokavasana. Shastravasana is not a problem. Shastravasana will become problem only if you lose the track of Vedanta. So tasam tiraskarena pandityam udbhavati tasya eshanaभ्यो viruddhatva तथा च पांडित्यम निर्विद्य इति अत्र ताभ्यो व्युत्थान विधानम उचितम इत्यर्थः. पांडित्यम निर्विद्य, by this ताभ्यो व्युत्थानम एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थानम. Why Eshanabhyo Dvivachanam is given?
Sadhana Ishna, Sadhya Ishna.
Sadhana and Sadhya. Sadhana Rupa Eshna and Sadhya Rupa Eshna. Everything is combined in two. व्युत्थान विधानम उचितम इत्यर्थः. विनापि व्युत्थानम पांडित्यम उद्भविष्यति इति चेत्. Some Purva Paksha will always be there that without giving up desires also I can have pandityam. Udbhavishyati iti chet na. Nahi. Now you see here, pratika is nahi. So, third number tippani, see, अत्र टीका अनुरोधात् नहि एषणाम इत्यादि पाठ उचितो भाति. एषणाम अतिरस्कृत्य नहि आत्म विषयस्य पांडित्यस्य उद्भव. एषणाम अतिरस्कृत्य, विदाउट गिविंग अप एषणा, आत्म विषयस्य पांडित्यस्य उद्भव न. Anvay is proper only. There is, so part should be like this. Instead of eshanam atiraskritya nahi atmavishasya, you can start with nahi eshanam atiraskritya atmavishasya pandityasya udbhava. Without giving up eshana, atmavishasya pandityasya udbhava na. Iti atmajnanena eva विहितम एषणा व्युत्थानम आत्मज्ञान समान कर्तृकत्वा प्रत्यय उपादान लिंग श्रुत्या दृढ़ीकृतम. आत्मज्ञानेन एव विहितम एषणा व्युत्थानम. बाय आत्मज्ञान एषणा व्युत्थानम विहितम. सेल्फ नॉलेज मीन्स गिविंग अप डिजायर्स. Self knowledge is what? It is so easy. So many people study. Not many people are able to give up desires. This is the problem. Study is not the problem. Knowledge is very simple. आत्मज्ञान समान कर्तृक त्वा प्रत्यय उपादान लिंग श्रुत्या दृढ़ीकृतम. This is दृढ़ीकृतम. This is made even more firm by आत्मज्ञान समान कर्तृक त्वा प्रत्यय उपादान लिंग श्रुत्या. So व्युत्थाय विदित्वा दीक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति. टीका. पांडित्यम निर्विद्य इति अत्र व्युत्थान विधिम उक्तम उपसंहरति. पांडित्यम निर्विद्य, व्युत्थान विधि उपसंहारः इति आत्मज्ञान ज्ञानेन एव. तर्हि किम इति विदित्वा व्युत्थाय इति अत्र व्युत्थाने विधिः अभ्युपगतः. विदित्वा व्युत्थाय. व्हाई when you say viditva vyuthaya, in vyuthana there is vidhi. तत्राह आत्मज्ञान समान कर्तृकत्वा प्रत्यय is given. That's why तेन व्युत्थानस्य समान कर्तृकत्वे त्वा प्रत्ययस्य उपादानमेव लिंगभूता श्रुतिः तया दृढ़ीकृतम. By that श्रुति this विधानम is दृढ़ीकृतम. नियमेन प्रापितम व्युत्थानम is a niyama. You have to give up desires and you have to attain Atmajnanam. That is true sannyasa. That's why, let's say somebody doesn't have totally freedom, all desires are not gone, desires are there. And that person is also doing Vedanta Adhyana. But he has to live on Bhiksha. So he says, Jnana Vairagya Siddhyartham Bhikshan Dehi Cha Parvati. This Annapurna, Bhiksha is because Jnana Siddhyartham, Vairagya Siddhyartham. So may I get Vairagya? So now Pandityam Nirvidya is done. Now Balyena. बाल्येन इत्यादि वाक्यम उत्थाप्य व्याकरोति. तस्माद् एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थाय ज्ञान बल भावेन बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्. स्थातुम इच्छेत्. तिष्ठासेत् means स्थातुम इच्छेत्. I should abide in this state. What is balyam? So it is clearly given. Jnana bala bhavena. On the strength of Jnana Balam. Jnanam means the four. Jnanam, that Pada Jnanam, then Vachyartha Jnanam, Lakshyartha Jnanam, Aikya in this. Vivekadi Vashat, Eshanabhyo Vyuthaya, Pandityam Sampadya, तस्मात् पांडित्यात् ज्ञान बल भावेन स्थातुम इच्छेत इति योजना। विवेकादि वशात् एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थाय, बिकॉज ऑफ द विवेकादि एषणाभ्यो व्युत्थाय, rising from the eshanas, rising from the eshanas on the strength of vivekadi. Vivekadi vashat eshanabhyo vyuthaya pandityam sampadya, having acquired pandityam, tasmat pandityad jnana bala bhavena sthatum icchet. Now you stay only on the strength of knowledge. Only on the strength of knowledge means that I should not entertain any more desires, and for that desire fulfillment I will do this, I will do that, or I want to do this. Nothing. Only on panditya, jnana bala. Because I am Brahma, therefore I don't want anything. Because I am Brahma, therefore whatever is happening, let it happen. No interference with anything. This is jnana balena. All samasya samadhanam is with jnanam. Sthatum icchet. This desire he should have now. This is also ichha, icchet. What desire is this? That now only on the strength of knowledge I will sustain myself. Sustain myself means this jiva bhava, whatever is remaining, that yatra. केयम ज्ञान बल भावेन स्थितिः इति आशंक्य ताम व्युत्पादयति. What is this jnana bala bhavena sthiti? So that is given. Sadhana phalashrayanam hi balam itaresham anatmavidam. For anatmavid, those who are ajnani, what is their balam? Sadhana phala ashrayanam. Depending upon some sadhana, some phala. Tad balam hitva. What vidwan should do? Give up that balam. And vidwan असाधन फल स्वरूप आत्मविज्ञानम एव बलम तद भावम एव केवलम आश्रयेत. और विद्वान असाधन फल स्वरूप आत्मविज्ञानम, नो साधन नो फलम. So this is difficult for a person who has not really understood Vedanta. They will study. A lot of people study Vedanta. They have not understood the hidden meaning of why we are studying Vedanta. I started my journey with the understanding that karma will not give me what I am looking for. Upasana will not give me what I am looking for. Therefore, I am studying Vedanta. After studying Vedanta, I will do this karma to fix this problem, that Upasana for this. Then why you did this? You should have stayed there only. So they have not understood why we are studying Vedanta. The Jnana Mahima is not clear. Tad bhavam eva kevalam ashrayet. So this is his balam. Tika. Vidwan iti vivekitva uktihi. Vidwan means viveki here. Yathokta bala bhava avashtambhe karananam विषय पारवश्य निवृत्त्या पुरुषस्यापि तत् पारवश्य निवृत्तिः फलति इत्याह. यथोक्त बल भाव अवष्टंभे, when he takes support of this bala, karananam vishaya paravashya nivrittya. Karana, all the indriya and antakarana, they will not be under the Vasha of Vishaya. Vishaya Paravashya will not be there. What is the dhatu for Vishaya? What is the dhatu? Not incomplete. You have to give complete. Shiya bandhane. What is the vipatti?
Vifinvanti.
Vishinoti
Visinoti
Nipatnati.
iti Vishaya. Visinoti badnati iti Vishaya. So Vishaya Paravashya Nivritti should happen. Karana should not be dependent upon the Vishayas. By Paravashya Nivritya Purushasyapi Tat Paravashya Nivrittihi Phalati Ityaha. When Karana is free from that, then Purusha is also free from it. What is the shloka in Gita in Sthita Prajna Lakshana? That if that Indriya will carry this person, his mind also. Indriyanam hi charatam
Yanmanonu vidhiyate tadasya harati prajñam vayurnavamivambasi.
boat. So Indriyanam hi charatam. Charatam Indriyanam yan mano anuvidhiyate. Mind, if it follows any one of these sense organs. And tat Indriyam asya pragyam harati. Or tad vishaya, Indriya vishaya, whatever, will take away this person's prajna. Like how Vayuhu Navam iva ambhasi. Vayuhu ambhasi Navam charati. So if Karanas have become free from the grip of Vishaya, Purusha also has become free from the grip of Vishaya. In Bhashya, tad ashrayane hi Karnani yeshana vishaya enam harutva sthapaitum notsahante. Tad ashrayane hi Karnani yeshana vishaye. Karana which have Atma Jnanam as their balam. Karanas, if they are ashrita in Atma Jnanam, then Eshana Vishaye enam hritva sthapaitum na utsahante. Then they will not be able to carry this person and put him in the Eshana Vishaya. Otherwise, sthapaitum na utsahante. Kani Karanani. Otherwise, Karana will take you. Means that person's mind is not free. That person's mind is controlled by all these desires. One desire will take this person that way, another desire. It's like a strong storm comes. When the storm comes, the Vayu, Navam Iva Ambasi, that is what happens. This is the state of that person. Then, Vyatireka Mukhena, he will explain. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।